Imagine waking up one morning to breaking news. Scientists have just detected a black hole moving toward our solar system. At first, it's just a distant threat, but then things start changing. The tides rise unpredictably, the moon's orbit shifts, and strange distortions appear in the sky. What happens next? Could Earth survive? And how close is too close when dealing with one of the most terrifying forces in the universe? Let's find out. Before we get into the chaos, let's understand what we're dealing with. A black hole is the ultimate cosmic monster, a place where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Most black holes form when giant stars collapse under their own gravity, creating an abyss in space where time and physics break down. There are two main types we should worry about. Stellar black holes, which are a few times the mass of the sun. Supermassive black holes, found at the centers of galaxies millions or even billions of times more massive. If one of these appeared near Earth, we'd have a serious problem. Let's assume a stellar black hole the size of about 10 suns suddenly appeared 1 light-year away, roughly the distance to Proxima Centauri, our closest star. At first, nothing would seem different, but over time, its gravitational pull would begin disturbing the outer planets of the solar system. Now, if it moved within half a light year, things get much worse. The orbits of Neptune and Pluto would shift, asteroids would be thrown off course, and we'd start seeing weird anomalies in space. But if a black hole came within a few billion miles, closer than Neptune, it would completely disrupt Earth's orbit. The effects? Catastrophic. If the black hole approached within a few 100 million miles, Earth would experience deadly consequences. Gravity waves would start distorting the planet's crust, triggering worldwide earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The oceans would rise and fall in massive tsunamis as our gravitational balance shifted. The moon's orbit would go haywire, possibly crashing into Earth or being flung into deep space. And that's just the beginning. At 10 million miles, the black hole's tidal forces would start pulling Earth apart. The atmosphere would thin out, radiation levels would spike, and the planet's rotation could slow down or even reverse. And if it came within 1 million miles, the black hole's gravity would stretch Earth into a spaghettified mess, tearing it apart before swallowing it whole. At that point, it's game over. Is there any way to survive? Technically, yes, but it wouldn't be easy. If we had years or decades of warning, humanity might have time to evacuate to another planet, like Mars, or even leave the solar system entirely. But if the black hole appeared suddenly, there's no escape. Even if Earth itself wasn't swallowed, the gravitational chaos would leave the planet uninhabitable. So, our only hope would be to develop technology that could move entire planets, or somehow redirect a black hole. Sounds impossible, but who knows? Maybe in the far future, we'll have that kind of power. Black holes are one of the most mysterious and terrifying forces in the universe. They can erase entire worlds, bend time itself, and challenge everything we know about physics. Luckily, there's no black hole anywhere near our solar system, at least not that we know of, but space is vast and full of surprises. So, what do you think? Could humanity ever survive a close encounter with a black hole? Or would we be doomed from the start? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-bending what-if scenarios. Until next time, stay curious and keep looking up.